Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Get Creative with Polemy. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. This is my first video in this year and wish so far your new year was great. So today I'm back with a color pencil painting and I'm using my Prismacolors. You can use any color you want, and we will do a quick review of the brush and pencil colored pencil powder blender which I have bought to blend the colors, and I'll be using textured fixative, which is a color pencil adhesive, and to blend the colors I have got some sponge, and I got all of these from Blick. You will get most of them from Amazon, but I really don't know whether you get the brush and pencil in Amazon, so just check it out. These are a little expensive, around $20, but if you buy them it will last you more than a year. So as and when we are using these fixative and the blender, let us do a review and see how well it fits into your painting. So let's start. Starting with the parrot color green, and for the first layer you would like to use very light hand, light pressure to paint. Now using a light blue, and I would use a lot of shades of blue and purple for the feathers here. For the first layer, I'm mostly using hatching method, which is line drawing method. And if you do not get your color in the complete photo, do not worry, because when we use the blender and the fixative, the pigment will gradually merge with the paper. In this tutorial, I'm using a normal gray colored chart paper. It is not a pencil color paper, because pencil color papers are very expensive. If you use them, I think you'll get better results. However, this is just a normal gray colored chart paper. You can see here my color is not covering all the parts of the paper. There are white parts left, but the blender and the fixative will blend it well. People who are new to my channel, thank you so much. Welcome to my channel, and do subscribe, share, like, hit the bell icon for future tutorials. Also would love to get comments from you, and for my old viewers, thank you so much for supporting my channel. As you can see, for the first layer, put very light pressure, because at this point of time we do not want the paper to get saturated with the color pencil pigment, and also this would keep the tooth of the paper secured. Here I'm using yellow as the base color with very minimal pressure. Now using a light brown for the deeper color. using navy blue for the deeper part of the feathers. Now using a pure white for the face. Finally using black for the darker part of the painting. So now the fun part begins. We are going to open this powder and you can see there's already a lot of powder, so just a little dip of it and we are going to blend the colors. This powder is helping us to actually get the pigments of the color pencil into the white part of the paper. It's time for our fixative, and sorry, this is not an adhesive, just a fixative, and we'll shake it well for 30 seconds and then from a distance of 8 to 12 inches we will slowly put a layer and let it rest for 15 minutes for the pigments to blend well. This works as a layer to just fix the first layer of the colors. So you can see the first layer is blended very well and the color has got fixed. So let us move on to the next layer. So here I am doing the same process now with a little more pressure, and also if you want from hatching method you can also move on to a circular motion to fill in the gaps. So here I'll be repeating the same steps of coloring, blending it with the blender powder, then using the fixative after 15 minutes again, putting the next layer. I'll do this till I feel that I've achieved the look. So far my opinion about the blender powder and fixative is great. It is really good for archival purposes, and if you're doing it professionally, I think it is good to buy these products. However, for beginners and kids, I would suggest that you can get the similar kind of effect just by using nail polish remover and applying that with a Q-tip. I'm putting my final layer, which is the third layer here. I think this would be fine for this particular painting, and just putting lines to depict the feathers and not blending it this time. Finally completing the painting by painting the eye with black and a light blue. I think these products are great, and yes, I'm not sponsored by any company, but this is my opinion, and if you try these products, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my channel. So this was the complete painting. Hope you liked it. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. Till my next video, stay safe. Bye.